I'm here with Pieter from CoScale. Welcome to the DI Summit.
Thank you.
I hope your talk went well.
Think so. It was about how machine learning sucks, so that always goes well.
And what is that about exactly?
Well, the fact is that machine learning, even though you can learn everything about it, there are a lot of sucky things you need to think about. A lot of issues that you can fall into and that cause trouble. So that was it about.
And like what exactly?
For example, you need data, which is the new gold actually, but your data needs to be good. Also, there are many machine learning models that you can build, but which one should you pick? Which one are the good ones? It's not all that hard if you know about it, but it will take you a lot of time to get used to and to build the right tools.
And did you come up with solutions, or are you just saying why it sucks?
No, although I only had 5 minutes, I used one example of CoScale where we built an anomaly detection system. And with anomalies, by definition they're really rare and it's really hard to find a complete data set of anomalies. But what we actually did is just predict the future and see if the future came true. If it came true, it was normal data. If it didn't came true, we checked how bad it was, and if it was bad enough, that would be an anomaly. So that's how we built our anomaly detection system.
Okay, and how important do you think an event like this is for the data science community?
Good question. I think it brings a lot of people from the data science community together, although I think it should be much bigger than this. It's very limited. A lot of business people here, which is really good because we, as data scientists, we often miss the mix between what happens in business and what we as technical people develop, but it should be much bigger. And I think the community is growing in Belgium like rabbits, I guess, so it's gonna grow, I guess.
Okay, perfect. And then last question, what does data science mean to you in one sentence?
In one sentence? 2 words, is that fine?
Yeah, sure.
More or less is my life. But in one sentence, actually I think it just means the future. Because the future of the job market, the future of how we live, how we work, what we do in our free time, it's going to change so much about what we know. Like transportation is the simplest example. A lot of transportation jobs, driver jobs, they're disappearing, and people, instead of doing very boring work, they can do very interesting and challenging work that even though you might not think, but even lower educated people can do that. And our education system is not fit for that, but that will change. It's going to change a lot.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you for your time, thank you for the talk, and thank you for passing by.
Thank you.